Today we discuss the next unit number 3, basic antenna and arrays. And topic name is wire antenna. Those are the objectives. Here we discuss the resonant wire antenna, non-resonant wire antenna, rhombic antenna, loop antenna, and folded dipole. So first of all, we discuss what is the resonant antenna. So resonant antenna like resonant transmission line. The dipole antenna are example of these antenna types. They are open-ended at the far end with resonant length. The term resonant length refers to multiple of quarter wavelength. It is placed at a point on transmission line where it is deliver low impedance. Usually this location is quarter wavelength, means lambda by 4 from the open circuit end. Half-wave dipole and its radiation pattern looking like doublet or figure of 8. The radiation pattern of resonant antenna have two parts, one due to forward and other due to reflected wave. So in resonant wave, two waves is present, forward wave and a reflected wave. If we see the summary of the resonant antenna, so its radiation pattern is bidirectional, termination is not required, standing wave exists on the resonant antenna, forward wave and reflected wave are present, and Yagi-Uda antenna is a example of resonant antenna. Now next is a non-resonant. So the non-resonant antenna are like non-resonant transmission line. Non-resonant transmission line do not have standing waves. Hence they do not have any reflected wave and they have only forward traveling wave. That is a different thing from the resonant antenna. Only forward wave is present. When the antenna is terminated as depicted in the about two-third power is transmitted as forward wave and remaining power is dissipated and there is no reflected power towards the input. From the radiation pattern of both, the difference between resonant antenna and non-resonant is as follows. Non-resonant antenna are unidirectional and resonant antenna are bidirectional. In the non-resonant antenna, only forward wave exists and in resonant antenna, both forward and reflected wave are exist. If we see the summary of non-resonant antenna, so radiation pattern is unidirectional. Second is the proper termination is required at the end. Third one is a standing wave do not exist on the non-resonant antenna. Only forward wave are present in the non-resonant wire antenna. And rhombic antenna is the example of the non-resonant antenna. So this is a scenario of the resonant antenna and non-resonant antenna. Now we see the example of the non-resonant antenna and it is a rhombic antenna. So first of all you see the structure is a diamond shaped structures. Here we use the four wires and arrange in this diamond shape. So the rhombic antenna is a equatorial parallelogram shape antenna. Generally, it has two opposite acute angles. See the autumn when you join in this fashion. So you get the two angle. That is called two acute angle. The tilt angle theta is approximately equal to 90 degree minus the angle of major lobe. Rhombic antenna work under the principle of the traveling wave radiator. It is arranged in the form of rhombus or diamond shape and suspended horizontally above the surface of Earth. What are the frequency range? So 3 megahertz to 300 megahertz. It is the operating range of the rhombic antenna. This antenna work in high frequency and very high frequency range. See the construction. Rhombic antenna can be regarded as two-way shape antenna connected end-to-end form obtuse angle. Due to simplicity and ease of construction, it has many use. It is used in HF transmission and reception. It is used in commercial point-to-point communication. The construction of the rhombic antenna is the form of rhombus in shown in figure. See the figure structure is look like parallelogram or diamond shape or rhombus. That's why it is called rhombic antenna. Next we see the loop antenna. So first of all we see the figure. This is the structure of loop, circular loop and square loop. So it is a RF carrying coil is given a single turn into the loop can be used as an antenna called the loop antenna. The current through in this loop antenna will be in phase. The magnetic field will be perpendicular to the whole loop carrying the currents. Now see the frequency range. The frequency range or operating range is 300 megahertz to 3 gigahertz. This antenna work in ultra high frequency range. We see the structure. A loop antenna is a coil carrying radio frequency current. It may be in the any shape such as circular, rectangular, triangular, square or hexagonal shape. Depends on design conveniency. Loop antenna is two types, small and large loop antennas. Large loop antenna are also called the resonant antenna. They have high radiation efficiency. This antenna have length nearly equal to the intended wavelength. So how much? L is equal to lambda L is equal to lambda. L is the length of antenna and lambda is the wavelength. So this is the basic scenario of the loop antennas. And see the structure of the loop. Now we see the next folded dipole. Name is what folding and dipole. So two pole is there. See the folded dipole. It here two poles and see the current distribution across the dipole. So folded dipole is an antenna with two conductor connected on both sides and folded to form a cylindrical closed loop shape to which feed is given in the center. The length of dipole is half of the wavelength, hence it is called the half wave folded dipole antenna. Frequency range, see the frequency range starting from 3 kilohertz and ending is the 300 gigahertz. This is mostly used in television receiver. The antenna is commonly used with the array type antenna to the increase the feed resistance. The most commonly used one is the Yagi-Uda antenna. The following figure is the half-wave dipole. Now see the radiation pattern of the folded dipole. The radiation pattern is a doublet or figure of it. See the both view, side view and top view. The radiation pattern of half-wave dipole is the same as the half-wave dipole antennas. The following figure shown the radiation pattern of half-wave folded dipole antenna, which is the omnidirectional pattern. Thank you.